Alright guys, so we're just going to take a quick look at the UDR rear axle. Previous bash video, you might have seen it. I had issues.
It's just that way, it's just when I turn right. If I go left, it's alright left.
You know what crawlers?
Oh, motherfucker!
What the hell?
How hot's that?
Holy monkey.
With one of the sides. It was only turning, I can't remember now, it was either turning left or right properly, and then it was just understeering like crazy in the other direction. When we looked at the truck, this spindle on this side was absolutely red hot, you couldn't touch it. On further inspection we noticed that all the plastic was melted on there. And this is quite a lot of end float on that. I mean, I don't know if that's normal, but I haven't stripped it down yet. So I thought we could do it together, and then we can see what's what, and if anyone else has a similar issue, and they kind of know what to expect. Alright guys, let's tear this down.
Well, I'm gonna miss. It sounds like this. Well, I'm gonna miss. Goodbye, she said. I've been misled. Goodbye.
So I haven't actually stripped these down before, so I don't really know what to expect.
I've been misled.
Oh, there we go. Right, so looking at that, it's all good. Save on to the side.
Since I checked, the time was right. I never thought that it would come to this. Now time is over. I waited by the car.
Okay, this isn't the problem side, but again, that looks fine. It's interesting about the. You get that off then. Still been rubbing on that side actually. But you can see how hot the other side got because the pin on this one looks free and easy. That one there is it's welded itself in there with the heat.
I've been misled. Goodbye, she said. I've been misled. Goodbye, she said.
There isn't really a lot to go wrong in here, is there? To be fair. Still bugging me what caused that. Alright, so I've stripped it right down. And I mean, everything in here is fine. Everything's good. There's no stripped gears or nothing. And even with all that heat, that bearing's still good. I don't really know what to put it down to, guys. Actually lost the cover on that bearing. Look. And there's gone. So when it got hot, funny enough, it probably melted out. Well, I think I'll order a couple of new bearings and a new end hub. And I thought initially that this is rounded out, but it still holds there. So I don't know. We'll order some new bits up, replace them, and go from there. See if it works. Yeah, cool. Cheers for watching, guys. Bye.
So please don't pick me